up YouTube? Another video today. We're going to do a little upgrade to the interior lights, the reading light and the main sort of interior light. We're going to be replacing them with LED bulbs. So we've got a couple of these to put in for the reading lights and the main LED interior bulb as well. As you can see at the minute, not sure how well that shows on camera, but a bit of a boring sort of dull yellow light. I actually think the main one, the big one, this one, I think it's actually blown. So hopefully we're going to make that work as well, because when it's set on that setting, it should be on, but it's not on. So hopefully we're going to actually make an improvement as well. So let's crack on. Right, so first job is we've got to get this little cover off at the front, and to do that you need a trim tool. Now I've got a selection of these which I got off Amazon a while ago when I was doing my conversion. For getting trims and stuff off when I were sort of carpet lining and things like that. About £6 for a load, so I recommend getting one of these. But basically it should just be a case of getting that in there, pulling it out, off we come, easy peasy. Right, they are a little bit awkward to get out, but just a little nudge with the trim tool and they just pop straight out. So let's replace it with the LED one, give it a test. Now these are polarised, positive and negative, so if it don't work first time it means we've got it wrong way around. So let's give it a whirl. Right, there we go. So let's give it a test. Out. Right. Let's give it a test. Boom. Looks pretty good. So let's do the other one and then we'll do one in the middle. There we go. There we go. Just pops out again with your trim tool. Make sure you got your LEDs pointing down. So we got it in right way first time. There we go. So let's, boom, that now works again now. So let's pop cover back on, see what they look like. Just pops back on. So let's see what they look like now. So map light, reading lights, and then your main light. Nice, clear, bright white, instead of that dull, horrible yellow. Looking good. So I got these from Transport HQ. I think they were £9 for the kit. So look them up if you want this particular kit. But yeah, pretty simple job. A little bit fiddly just getting the two map reading lights out, but again, if you got your trim tool, just give it a flick and it comes out. So yeah, another job done, another little upgrade. Got one or two things in pipeline as well, so please subscribe if you want to see me doing a few more little jobs. And yeah, should have some more videos out soon. But yeah, enjoy these.